Hey everybody, welcome to Kimber's Essential Oils. Today we are going to make some wild orange lemon power balls. So today we're going to be using a cup of shredded coconut, peanut butter, and dried cranberries. We have a half a cup of rock honey and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, and we'll be using 2 teaspoons of salt. We're going to mix all of that together and we'll roll it in the coconut, and it's just going to be a wonderful snack. For me, right before lunch, I start to get pretty hungry, not super hungry, but I need something just enough to tide me over. And these are going to be that great thing that you need. So I'm going to mix all this together and we'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add our oil now. We have wild orange. This is one of my favorite oils. It is an uplifter. It tastes just like oranges. Lemon, same thing. We've got that really citrusy, wonderful lemon smell and taste. And then we're going to mix it all together. These are looking so good already. And now I'm going to add in a few cups of oatmeal, which is going to be the binder for all of this. It's going to give your stomach that extra heaviness to it so that you're going to be able to go a few hours before lunch. And you can use these before dinner as a snack. You don't have to use them before lunch. That's just when I use these, because that's when I get a little hungry. So just whenever you start feeling like, it's time to eat, but you're not quite ready for your next meal. And these are gonna be awesome too if you're you're coming off work and it's a little while before dinner and you're headed into the gym and you need something to sit in your stomach before you start doing your workout. These are gonna be great to just eat 2-3 of them. It's going to give your body that energy that it needs for you to build muscle and shred that fat. All right, I'm going to finish mixing this and we'll be right back. So for this next part, it's really fun. The kids are going to love to help you do this. We're just going to roll them into balls. And then you're going to roll them in that coconut. And this is going to give you that sweetness. And it's going to help curb those cravings. Got the protein from the peanut butter in there. You've got cranberries and the salt. It's just one of my favorite snacks. I'm just doing about 1.5 tablespoons, maybe 2 tablespoons on some of these. The 2 tablespoons will go for my husband because he has to consume quite a bit more calories than I do in a day. He is trying to gain and I am trying to lose. So it is interesting. We're really enjoying cooking our different meals together for dinner, and we're both meal planning our weeks. And then we sit down as a family and our daughter gets a little bit of his and a little bit of mine, and she's loving the variety. All right, so I made myself a tiny little one to do a taste test. I've had these before, but I wanted to just give you an initial reaction. Yep, they're amazing. Thanks everyone for joining me on making power balls. Again, these are a great healthy snack that are going to give you that energy boost that you need to get you through the day. Great for before the gym, after the gym, before sports, for on-the-go kids. And, just even if you're at home and you need something to kick that craving, this is a great recipe. It's one of my favorites. You can also add a little bit of vanilla to it, and it gives it more of that dessert feel. So that's a fun way to zest it up a little bit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for recipes. This isn't just for cooking, it's for cleaning essentials too. So all those busy mamas out there, there's some quick cleaning hacks there for you. Bye.